I am a content writer. I write the content and add it in my Google Sheets. I want that with the systematic record of my content, as soon as I add in the final thing in the spreadsheet, automatically in my Google Vlogger account, that blog should be posted. Now, adding from Google Sheets and then posting in Google Vlogger is a very time-consuming part, so I've synced both of these applications. Let me show you how. I will add in the new title as well as the blog content in the spreadsheet, and then we will see how automatically the post for the same has been created in my Google Vlogger account. So let me add in the details. So I have added the content. The title is Morning Self-Care Routine for Positive Lifestyle, and this is the content that I've written in HTML. As I've added the details in Google Sheets, if I'll open my Google Vlogger account and refresh this page from here, you will see automatically a new post has been created. If I'm going to preview this blog over here from my Google Vlogger account, you will see that the blog for the same title, Morning Self-Care Routine for Positive Lifestyle, has been created, and these are all the facts. So as you can see right now, this amazing vlog has been successfully posted on my Google Vlogger account. This is how this amazing setup will actually work. Add your data in Google Sheets and find the vlog in your Google Vlogger account. So without wasting any time, let's dive into the creation of this setup without need of any technical coding and programming skills using the software Pabbly Connect. So let's move on with this video. So now if you want to use this automation tool as well, on a new tab, search for www.pabbly.com/connect. You will come to their landing page. Now if you're logging in for the first time, sign up for free from here. You will receive 100 free tasks every single month. Using the task, you can create this setup with me right away. Test out from your end that how it is working, and then you can purchase a yearly or lifetime plan accordingly. If you're planning to do so, use my code on the left side of the screen to get instant and amazing discounts. I have already logged in and opened the template using which I'm creating this workflow. If you want this free template to use for yourself, you can check out the workflow link added in the description section. My trigger is Google Sheets in your updated spreadsheet row. This is the URL. Copy it over here and open the spreadsheet that you want to connect. Go to extensions, add-ons, get add-ons. You will come to this window, on which on the search apps bar you need to search for Pabbly Connect Webhooks and install this application. After installing, go back, refresh the spreadsheet, and you will come to this option of Pabbly Connect Webhooks, from which select initial setup option. You will come to the dialog box of initial setup, from which it is asking for the webhook URL and the trigger column. Firstly, for the webhook URL, we are going to paste the webhook URL that Pabbly Connect has provided us, and the trigger column in the spreadsheet for me is column B because I'm entering the content for my vlog in this column. So that is why I'm going to select my trigger column as column B, so that as soon as I enter this content, the title and the content is forwarded towards this URL. Click on the submit button after that, and you will see it will say setup configured successfully. Now go back. One last step is left in extensions, Pabbly Connect Webhooks. Turn on the option of send on event. It is mandatory to click on send on event because as soon as you will enter the new details of a blog in this spreadsheet is instantly going to share the details towards this webhook URL that is our trigger. Recapture the response, and it says waiting for webhook response. So now to check whether this connection is completely done or not, I will enter the new title and the content over here in the spreadsheet, and let's check whether my trigger captures the response of both of the details. Okay, so let me enter the details. So I've entered the details, comfortable yet stylish travel outfit ideas, and this is the content I've entered in HTML format. So now as I've entered the details that I wanted to post, you will see automatically in my trigger, the response has been captured with the title as well as the entire content. So as now the response is captured, let's create a post on our Google Vlogger account. Over here for the application, I will select it as Google Vlogger and the event as create a post. Click on this connect option, add new connection, connect with Google Vlogger. Now select the account with the help of which you have created your Google Vlogger account, and then give permission to this account as this is a safe process and my data is completely safe with Pabbly Connect. For the vlog ID, I have created a vlog ID over here in the name of my vlog, so I'll select this ID from here. Now for the title, I will map the data. Enter a / previous step is going to appear. This is the title that I want to create as a post. I'll select the data from my previous response. Now if you're going to select the data from your previous response, the data, that specific data will become mapped, and as now this data has been mapped, it's dynamic. In simple words, whenever the new content response will be captured in the previous step, this data will be updated accordingly. In the similar manner, I will map the data of the content right here. I want to directly live this blog because I am entering the final draft in this spreadsheet. Okay, is draft? No, it's not draft. I do not require any other field, so I'll skip the part and simply click on the Save and Send Test Request button, where I've received this response, which is a positive response. And if I'll refresh the page of my Vlogger account, you will see automatically a new post has been created. I'll preview this post over here, and you will see it's the same title, Comfortable Yet Stylish Travel Outfit Ideas. And if I'll scroll down, you will see all the ideas right over here. So as now the vlog has been posted successfully in my Google Vlogger account, the connection between these two applications is now completed. Now whenever in my Google Sheets I'm going to enter the new content, I will get the systematic record of my content. With that, the post will be automatically created as well. So now if you have any questions or doubts related to this setup, comment down below. I will reply to all your queries. So this was it for this video, guys. Thank you so much for watching.
Not just this connection, you can create multiple other automations using Pabbly Connect. If you want to know about the different plans that Pabbly Connect provides you, you can check out the link given over here. And if you have any queries related to it, you can email us on sales@pabbly.com. If you have any questions or doubts, comment down below and we'll reply to you as soon as possible. Subscribe to our channel and thank you so much for watching.